All right, it's September 20 today. The Apple Watch Series 5 came out, so one just happened to show up on my doorstep. Thought we'd see what's in there. Let's see. Let's get to the pretty stuff. There we go. So, big white box. Where have we seen that before? It's a Series 5 aluminum case. You see, I have one. It's a Series 1 though, so it was time to update, get a little newer. And when they had the always on feature, I thought that would be interesting to see. So let's get this going. Oh, well, of course, I'm wasting my time because they make it easy.
That was nice.
This is just the GPS version, the model, and it's silver aluminum, and it has the, it's kind of a silver band. I can't remember what we're calling it, but we'll get it figured out in a minute. Okay, let's see what's here. Alright, so, oh, there's the band separately. So I'm hoping they give me the sport band that comes with it too, but I don't know, it was an extra $50 for it's the Milanese loop band, right? Nothing there. Alright, so I'll tell you what, let's go to the band first. Oh, again, they got the easy stuff, and I'm sitting here making it hard. Magnetic closure. You know, it kind of wraps around and then magnets onto itself. I got the band through here. I mean, I know you can get cheaper ones on Amazon and stuff, but I've had really bad luck with knockoff kind of bands. You know, yeah, they're $13 or whatever, but they're gone in a couple months. A lot of times they just fall apart. So I've had a black band like this, but it was not first party, and the color started wearing off, and it was just not very good. So hopefully this one lasts a lot better. Okay. Let's get rid of that for a second. But what good is a band without a watch? Not very much. All right. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. That's about all that happens in California. For this watch, I think it's all from China. All right, open your band box. Hey, look at there, we did step 1 first. Who knew? Step 2, to get started, put on your Apple Watch. Yeah. These are some high-end instructions. And then go to the Apple Watch app. Let's make sure I got my phone here. What do you know? They delivered my Apple Watch. Okay. All right, how do we, this has got some kind of cover. It feels kind of fake leathery almost. Let's just slide out. Doesn't look like it comes apart. There we go, little pouch. Set that aside. I have a charger and my 84th USB power adapter.
You never have too many of those.
Yeah, I might. Okay, well, it's okay. So I don't know if you can tell. There's a lot more of a bulge here on the back to the round part is a lot more humpy than I believe the original one was. let's take a look, compare. Come on. Well, you know, I just didn't remember how much that sticks out the back. It's always had the sensor there. Actually, it looks really similar. I wouldn't say it's any different. There's a comparison of the thickness between this Series 1, not Series 0, but 1, and the Series 5 here. It looks pretty much the same. We got a little hole there. I'm not sure if that's a better speaker or what, or we'll figure it out. And then over here you got these ports are different than they used to be. So we got 2 ports and a little hole, and on this one I got 2 ports here and a little hole there. So really a lot has changed, but a lot has stayed the same in terms of design. Let's look. I think it is what, 2 millimeters? I think it used to be 42. Now it's 44 in terms of the width. So you can see it's a little thicker now, side to side. Top to bottom should also be then a little bit. And let's go ahead and take this band off of this one, and we can see. And I guess it is, you come with one band or the other. Not ordering the Milanese loop gets you the Sport and the Milanese loop, so be it. Yeah, so you see these, let's set them on here. The silver one is a little bit taller than the black one. The silver is the new one, obviously. So a little bit difference in size, the 42, 44. So let's go ahead and get the band in there, and let's think about this. We want the shorter part on top, I believe. Who knows? We'll figure it out. If it doesn't work, we'll do it the other way. So I'm wearing it left-handed, so I think this is the right way. Sorry, on my left hand. I think that's where we want it. Oh, there's a little piece here to take off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I just put it on and it magnets to itself. Right there. You can adjust it anywhere you want in between. So let's see what happens now. I'm not seeing any sign. So I must need to just hold it to turn it on. There we go. All right, now let's go to, so I think the first thing I need to do is remove that watch, but I'll go ahead and just pair a new one. But let's see, hold my Apple Watch up to the camera, but it doesn't have the thing yet, so we're just gonna wait for a second. There we go. Come on. There we go. My iPhone is out of date. Well, that's great. Not that far out of date. Come on, man. All right, I guess I gotta go put in 13. Well, that'll take longer than you're gonna want to watch, so we'll come back. It'll magically have happened without you seeing it.